Hey there! By now, you already know that there's a lot of money that can be made online. But did you also know that you can make money online without ever having to lift a finger? Welcome to Next Level Finance, where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. Passive income is a buzzword because it helps you build wealth without needing to focus your full attention or capabilities doing actual work. So in today's video, I'm so excited to talk to you about not just one, but a total of 3 apps that will allow you to earn money without ever having to do anything. So you can go grab lunch, make yourself a cup of coffee, work on your YouTube videos. You can do all of those things and more while earning from these 3 apps. Quick disclaimer though, none of these apps will ever replace your full-time job or give you a 6-figure paycheck by the end of the year. That's not how it works. But if you're simply looking to monetize your time without exerting any extra effort, well, this is for you, so please keep on watching. App number 1 is called Cash Magnet. And to use it, you'll need to install it on your smartphone and have an internet connection. No matter the country that you live in, you can get this to work for you and receive payouts. One downside though is that this only works for Android phones. So to our viewer friends who are iOS users, don't worry, we'll make sure you're covered when we talk about app number 2, so do stick around for that. So back to the Cash Magnet app. This works when you're not using your phone. So this could be when you're at work, when you're asleep, when you're binge watching on Netflix, when you're making dinner, whatever. Just literally your phone in passive mode, hence the term passive income. And what it does during your downtime is install programs and games on your phone, which then accumulates points and brings you up levels. So you don't need to use any of the downloaded apps or programs because simply having them on your phone allows you to earn from them already. If you have privacy issues, as I know some of you might want to consider using a spare phone instead of your main one. I personally have an old Android phone just lying around at home, and it's what I've been using for Cash Magnet. Since it isn't my main phone, I'm actually able to earn more from the app because, like I said, the Cash Magnet app only earns when your phone isn't being used. According to the Cash Magnet website, the accumulation of points takes place every 5 minutes, and the longer your program works on your phone, the more money you receive. The good thing about this app is that you don't need to answer any surveys, play games, share links. You simply install, complete the registration, and then you start earning right away. When it comes to the income potential, you can expect to make around $15 a month, which I think isn't too bad. It's basically a free lunch and a half for not doing anything, right? Payout is done via PayPal, or you can choose to go with gift cards from Amazon, Google Play, etc. And the payout threshold is honestly pretty good. Don't worry, you'll be able to see all of this in detail before you redeem your points. You can check out the Cash Magnet website. I'll leave a link here on the screen for you to head over there after this video. With that said, we can now move on to the second app, which is something I'm really excited to share with you because I honestly find it to be such a fun and easy way to make a few extra bucks online. App number 2 is called Current Cash Rewards, and this app will actually pay you to stream your favorite music and radio stations. While the first app was only available for Android users, this second app, Current Cash Rewards, is available on the Apple Store and on Google Play. So there are many things you can do to earn money through this app, but the easiest and most fun way to do it would be by listening to music. Yes, you heard that right. Just like you do on Spotify or Amazon Music, you can listen to your favorite songs and discover new ones on the Current app. But here, instead of paying for a subscription, it works the other way around and you actually get paid to listen. What's amazing about it is you'll have access to your favorite artists and songs, be able to listen to over 100,000 radio stations worldwide, and be paid for doing just that. It's really simple, and as I said, it works for both iOS and Android. You just need to register with an existing Google account or even manually through another email address if you prefer. After that, you can simply choose your preferred genre of music, say for instance pop, R&B, rock, And then you click on those options and then click on Get Started, just like you would on other music streaming sites, right? Don't worry, I promise you that the app has a huge selection of the best artists and songs available, and you will have access to all of these for free. So let me quickly show you how you can make money here. On the app, you'll see a tab called Earn, and you'll want to click on that to be able to see how much you've made so far in points. This is also where you'll be able to access surveys and videos and other offers. But no matter the number of offers that you click on, you can still earn points, and you can opt to redeem those points depending on your preference. I personally prefer PayPal because I think cash is king, but you can feel free to choose what you like. There are a lot of great options and big name brands like Amazon, Target, Google Play, etc. You can also earn when you send your referral link to your friends, but that isn't required either. Oh, one tip though, since this app wants you to listen to music, it can actually track when you lower the volume down too much, and you have to be playing the music with a 70% volume level for you to be earning points. I've also heard of some people who download this app on more than one device, and that they're able to get that to work for as long as the second device has its own mobile number. I haven't tried that one out myself, so do let us know in the comments down below if you're able to try something like that out for yourself so we can learn from you too. Either way, if you can get paid for doing something that you're already doing every day anyway, then why not, right? So the third and final app that I wanted to tell you about is again for Android users only. It's called Money SMS, and there are two ways to earn on this app. The first way is by receiving text messages that the app will send you on a daily basis. You actually get paid for each message that you receive, and you don't need to do anything about it. So that's the first way. And the second way that you can earn is by forwarding your referral code to friends. And instead of receiving a fixed amount, you can actually receive 30% of whatever amount they get to withdraw. Guys, let me again be clear that none of the three apps I talked about today will help you get rich quick or even allow you to stop working your 9 to 5. What they offer though is a way for you to get some extra money and monetize your phone in free time, because we're all about making money here, right? If you enjoyed today's content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. We also have a ton of other videos that will help make you even more money online. I'll make sure to leave links of those for you in the description box below so you can check those ones out after watching this video. Learn with us, grow with us. We're just so happy to have you here. Alrighty then, that's it for today. Signing off until the next one.